What's up, guys? Long time no see. I'm currently back at the hometown right now, dropping off some parts for my little brother's EG hatch, as well as dropping off some parts at the Function Garage, which is here in the home base town. So I'll catch you guys when I get back to my mom's house to drop off my little brother's parts, and then I will catch you guys when we get to the Function Garage to drop off some other EG parts, actually. So it's an EG run day. A lot of things have changed since the last time we talked. I know I briefly mentioned that in the last video, that the next time you guys see me, some things are going to be different. But I figured I'd pick up here back at the home base and take you guys on a trip and let you guys know what's been going on. Because it's been a minute since I made a video, but I've been busy with some life-changing events, so I'll catch you guys when I get to my mom's house. So I'm here at my mom's, and this is what I have for my little brother. Is an EG rear bumper that isn't cracked, and it's OEM. And then I also have this front bumper with a OEM lip on it for an EG, which I don't know if he'll want to use this front bumper or if he'll just want to use the lip, because his front bumper is decent, but his rear bumper, we got him a rear bumper off that gray Civic. His front bumper is honestly nicer than the green one, in my opinion, but he could choose. And then what I also got him was, in here, the holders for the speakers are missing. I gave him some Kenwood speakers, right? So these are decent, but the holders for them were missing. And so are the covers for the door cards. I got to get those for him. And then the other thing that was messed up on this car was they had drilled in the spoiler. So we got him a rear bumper, a front bumper with a lip if he wants to use it, a new spoiler, and then speaker covers, as you can, or speaker holders right there. And then this dash that's back here is going to the Function Garage. So, but I have to grab some more parts that are going over there. So I'm going to unload these, and then yeah, I'll head over to the Function Garage. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. I just want to quickly tell you guys about my Skool community. If you guys don't know what Skool is basically its own social media platform where you can join communities that will teach you pretty much anything that you want to know. Along with having that course, you also get access to a very, very supportive and active community within each school. So Skool is a really great platform. There's a lot of people putting a lot of money and time into it, including myself. I have my own Skool community. It is called the Parts Network, and it is 100% free. What is included in the Parts Network is a community of global support and access to parts that are in demand already. What I've done with the free community is I've started funneling all of my part requests from Kyusha Parts into the community, giving all of the members access to already in demand parts with a buyer ready to buy whatever part. So if you have some parts sitting around, Honda parts, BMW parts, Mercedes parts, pretty much anything, join the Skool down below. You're going to get help finding a buyer for that part, or you're going to get full training on how to sell those parts on eBay, in person, or wherever you want. If you have no idea how to even find parts and that's something you're interested in, that is also something that you will learn in the Skool. If you guys have seen any of my junkyard videos and you want to learn about how I find those junkyards, join the Skool. If you guys have seen in this video, I got my brother that green bumper with the lip, the spoiler, the rear bumper, the speaker brackets, join the Skool. I'll tell you how I do it. It's not hard. It's super easy, and it's 100% free. So join the Skool. Link is down below. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace out. The contrast from the white to the green is pretty insane. I don't know how he's going to feel about it, if he's going to want to paint it or leave it. It might look kind of crazy if it has the matching front bumper on it, but who knows? I think my brother's on a trip right now. When he gets back, we're making a video on this thing. So the next video you see after this one will probably be us getting this thing on the road and driving it. I think he finally wants to work on it now that he's got to go back to school. But I picked him up some good parts, so hopefully we can get this thing right before he has to go back to school. All right, so we're here at the Function Garage. We're here with Eli. He just picked up the whole black interior, but he has something that you guys might like. Let's hear about it.
So this is my 95 EJ1 EX Coupe. It is full B18C1 GSR swap, stock internals with ARP head studs, pneumatic head gasket, very small turbo. It spools really fast, starting at like 3K RPM. Makes about 400 wheel. It's on E85 with 1000cc LS injectors from a 6.0 LS. Tile wastegate, tile blow off valve. Other than that, it's mostly just suspension work, and now this new interior I just picked up from Nick.
Very, very clean. All right, everybody, so I'm here with my little brother. His EG had some flat front tires, and we had to push it in the garage on the worst possible day. It is pouring raining. Special guest, Papa-san. You guys know Papa-san. He helped me rebuild the Prelude. He's going to be helping me and JJ today with JJ's car, so we're going to have a good time working on brakes. And then maybe we'll be able to drive this thing. And we're also probably going to put on his new spoiler and bumper too if we have a chance. So let's get straight to work. I bet we're all really excited to work on some rusty brake lines today. So we got to get all the brake lines loose on this proportioning valve. And then we're going to swap the proportioning valve with a Del Sol one. And then we're going to get rear brake lines good. And we have to also fix the broken bleeder valve on the rear brake lines, or on the rear drums. So this is currently what we are doing.
Okay, get some heat. I'll show you where.
All right, so we got 3 out of 4 of them out, and I'm going to show you guys a trick on getting these out that my grandpa has taught us. Basically, he is shocking them right now.
Okay.
Then I'm going to spray a little bit of this on, this freeze off, super penetrant. Works really good. Spray a little on there. Okay, so now we're going to get this flare nut wrench on. Try and line it up. Doesn't want to go on. Hold on. Try right there. Yep. What's going on? A little bit more. Perfect. All right. Now we can try and break it loose.
Okay, wait a second. Hold the light.
Someone here? It's good, it's good. It's all the way on.
I know, I'm trying to shock it in.
Okay.
Light?
Oh, that broke loose super easy.
Okay, good. And that one we can, if it's that easy, we can take that thing off and do it up. There's plenty of play in that whole line.
Right there. All right, the proportioning valve is out. We're cleaning up the old lines, and then we're gonna run new ones to the rear. All right, so the new proportioning valve is in. Now we are just going back over the rear brakes. We have to replace the bleeder screw. My grandpa's checking that out right now for himself. And then we got to get the rear lines in here, but JJ has a haircut, so we are going to have to continue on a different day. But I think this new front bumper and rear bumper and spoiler, and then the other stuff, and he's gonna get some SI wheels, some EM1 wheels, I think.
Yeah.
But he's got to come up with the money for that, and then this thing will be good to go. So, you hyped to drive this thing before school?
Oh yeah, very hyped.
It's day 2. We got to fix these rear brake lines, and then they are working on the rear wheel cylinder, and then this car should be ready to go. We got the bumpers and stuff on. You hyped to drive it?
Yep.
The fresh cut?
Yep.
On Steely's? Let me see the cut. You having fun?
Yep.
What?
What are you doing?
Taking the brakes apart.
Taking the brakes apart?
Yeah, rear.
The rear drum brakes?
Yeah, this cylinder's got to be changed out.
Yeah, so I don't know if you guys remember from the first video, The bleeder screw on that cylinder is broken, and we're replacing that today, so he will have rear brakes.
Here's the cylinder.
All right, so this side might be decent. This side is almost there. We started to get some rain. I'm still up here working on getting these flares in. I got one of them done. So we just have to put this coupling in right here and then make a new line that will go from the flare to the coupling to the new flare and into the proportioning valve. So I have to make one more flare right here, which is going to be a pain. Once that's done, it should be a piece of cake to finish this job up. So, all right, so
You take the.
we're setting the brakes back here. Proving to be a challenge, but this side is good, the other side is good, and the brake lines are finished up here. I redid them. I think they look pretty good. If you ever want to fix brake lines and not replace the whole thing, you can do something like this. I highly recommend these copper lines, 3/16 lines. We got these copper ones, so they're rust proof and they bend super easy and they flare super easy. So I'm definitely going to be using these in the future when I do more rigs. We got 2 of them, barely had to use them, but yeah, hopefully we're going to be bleeding the brakes here pretty soon, and then getting the distributor figured out and then driving this thing. We got rained out pretty hard. It's raining. We should have brought it in. Raining pretty hard. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I just dropped a Kyusha Parts t-shirt. We got black and white. I will put it up on the screen right here. The link for that will be in the description. It's right on my website, KayushaParts.com. It is $18 shipped for a t-shirt anywhere in the USA. Free shipping, $18, and the shirt will arrive at your doorstep. This is a pre-order, so get in while you can. It isn't going to last forever. Also, if you guys are interested in the school, link is in the description. There is a ton of value in the school, all for free. So if you have even the slightest interest in learning how to source or sell car parts, or you just want access to those parts that are already in demand, join the school. Link in the description. So is the t-shirts. You guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you guys next time.